Greetings, I am Speaker Jermaine. Today I would like to talk about the power of a healthy choice. What is the difference between a healthy choice and an unhealthy choice? Well, number one, an unhealthy choice, you experience frustration, anxiety, a sense of rush, a feeling that you are not balanced. You feel pressure, and you make a decision from that energy, from that vibration. Versus a healthy choice, you take your time. You write out the pros and the cons of that choice with the mindset that every choice that you make is in alignment with your purpose of being. That the people, places, things, and circumstances in your life correspond to this choice, and that it's going to always have a positive and a powerful outcome based upon you being within your body. You can feel a sense of happiness and strength and joy and calm by this decision that you make. I always like to wait 3 days before I make a choice, a life-dealing choice. I like to take 3 days because every human being is connected with the number 3. Spirit, mother, father, 3 trimesters, infant, child, adult. When we see sun, moon, and stars, when we see the 3, I like to take 3 days for my spirit, for my mind, and for my physical body. I like to meditate. I like to go walk on the beach. I like to look at the choice that I'm making by writing it out, looking at it, analyzing it, so that I know that if I'm making a choice that I'm at peace with. Whenever we make a choice, and we make a choice through anxiety, pressure, and stress, the reason that it's not going to be a positive outcome is because we're not in a sense of peace. You see, my spirit, it can't be burnt, it can't be wet, it can't be destroyed. There's a sense of observation. There's a sense of calmness that's attached to the essence of who and what I am. And so when I make a rush decision, I'm rushing, it's never going to be the right outcome. Take your time. Be in tune with yourself. And realize at the moment that you're making that decision, how does it feel? You see, the feeling, your inner self. Do you feel empowered? Do you feel calm? Do you feel as though you can change your reality based upon the choice that you're making? Or do you feel opposite? Know that you can't do better until you know better. Knowledge is a prerequisite of change. But in the context of the change that you choose to experience, know that the power of that choice is connected to your intellectual capital or the lack thereof. Every person has a power of choice. We're here to make choices. We're here to make choices based upon the intellectual trees that we come from, our parents, our education, formal or informal. The intellectual capital based upon us asking a question. And as I always say, that the word question is a metaphor for quest eye on. The healthy choice. Making a healthy choice that aligns with yourself. Can you sleep at night with the choice that you've made? Whenever we can't sleep, there's a sense of being not in tune. But when we can sleep and relax and be at ease with our child, it's the inner child. It's the infant of self that we align ourselves with. We could sleep like a baby because our choice is in line with our higher self and our spiritual self. Realize that you are beautiful. And here's the wisdom about life. Even in a choice that is rushed, you still will receive the blessing of the universe of the lesson. We learn through love, or we learn through the so-called loss. But LOL, leap over limitation. Your beauty, your power, your choice. You're going to make a choice today. Don't rush. Because you don't have to learn through the heat of life. You can learn through the cool of day. You're beautiful, you're special, you're whole, you're complete. And if no one told you, let me tell you, and I give you my affirmation. I am at my best, and so are you. I am Speaker Jermaine. If you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I thank you. More to come. Peace and blessings.